Hi guys! Today, samahan nyo kami because we're checking out the newest food offerings here at Watami. If you're craving authentic Japanese food pero gusto mo ng casual and relaxed dining experience, this place might be for you. So quick background, Watami is actually a Japanese word that means people dining in harmony. And that's exactly the vibe here. Good food, good company, and a relaxed atmosphere. Ang concept nila ngayon, everyday Japanese, meaning premium Japanese craftsmanship na hindi lang pang special occasions. Authentic, nourishing, and perfectly fits sa modern urban lifestyle. This is Masaaki Ishikawa, the man behind the curated Japanese menu here at Watami.
Our Watami menu is the ingredients authentic from Japan, especially like salmon from Hokkaido, and then another ingredient from Japan also.
At ipinagmamalaki nila ang paggamit ng authentic Japanese ingredients para ma-deliver ang tunay na lasa ng Japan. So ito na, let's check out what we tried. First up, we have the salmon aburi. Torch seared ito right before serving para lumabas yung smoky flavor and natural sweetness ng salmon. Super melt in your mouth! Next, this one is the pepper beef stone pot. Serves sizzling hot, kaya habang hinahalo mo siya, mas lalong lumalabas yung aroma ng beef, pepper, and rice. And of course, hindi mawawala ang classic pork cutlet set. Crispy, juicy tonkatsu served with refillable cabbage, rice, and miso soup. Sulit na sulit, lalo na kung gutom ka. We also tried the smoked salmon sashimi. Fresh, silky, and smoky in flavor. Grabe, ang sarap. You know, madalasahan mo talaga yung premium yung quality, no? Ito yung Japanese dining experience na premium yung experience pero relax lang ang vibe. Sarap, isa pa nga. Another interesting dish is the smoked omu rice. Japanese-style omelette rice na may smoky twist. Very flavorful and satisfying. For ramen lovers, meron silang tonkotsu chashu ramen. Rich, creamy broth paired with tender chashu pork. Perfect, lalo na ngayon, malamig ang panahon. And syempre, hindi kumpleto ang Japanese feast without shrimp tempura. Crispy outside, juicy inside, classic, and always a favorite. And for dessert, we ended our meal with this matcha cheesecake. Creamy, slightly bitter from the matcha, but perfectly balanced with sweetness. Perfect pang-finish sa meal. So if you're looking for premium yet approachable Japanese dining, you might want to check out Watami here at SM City Clark. Because here, Japanese food isn't just for special occasions. It's meant to be enjoyed every day.
Please visit to Watami SM Clark, ma'am.
This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.